Here I try to upload some codes to my Arduino Uno, and this is the problem that I encountered. The exit is status 1. Now I use FTDI USB to serial converter to upload the code to my Arduino Uno. And here the connection. So the 5 volts of FTDI is connected to the 5 volts of Arduino Uno. Then next, the 3.3 volts of FTDI is connected to the 3.3 volts of Arduino Uno. And next, the RX pin of FTDI is connected to the TX pin of Arduino Uno. And then the TX pin of FTDI is connected to the RX pin of Arduino. And last, the ground is connected to the ground of Arduino. Later, while we're uploading the code, we need to press the reset button of Arduino Uno. Before uploading, you need to press down the button or the reset button, and then when the compiling sketch is done, you need to release the button and wait to upload the code. Now go to Device Manager and select the ports. And this is the serial port of our FTDI. So the FTDI is connected to the COM7. Now go to Arduino IDE and select other board and port. And you need to select the settings to upload the code in Arduino Uno. So select the COM7 and search the Arduino Uno. Before uploading the code, you need to press down the reset button of Arduino Uno here. And now upload. When the compiling sketch is done, release the button and wait to upload. And that's it. The code is already uploaded.